Good morning and welcome to Chart of the Day Cafe for Thursday, September 17th, 2015. Just going to read our disclaimer quickly. Trading stocks is a high level of risk and viewers should complete their own due diligence on any stock or underlying that they intend to own. 100% of the content of this video and communique is intended for journalistic and educational purposes only. This video and all indicators, strategies, and articles herein should not be construed as investment advice. Thank you for your patience with that. So as always, we start our videos off with a 2-year weekly chart of the Russell Index. We use the Russell as our simple proxy for overall market health, strength, and direction. And because we never want to put a chart forward to our viewers unless we're putting it forward in a rising market environment. So as we've been noting in the last few videos, we're going to wait before putting any new charts forward. We're waiting until price on the Russell moves up and over this blue line on the weekly, and price moves up and out of this blue channel that we've been keeping an eye on through all of 2014 and 15. So in this kind of an environment, now keep in mind this is the weekly chart, we like that's a trend that's going this way. So we're looking for some giddy up in this market and for a resumption of this kind of thing. Keeping an open mind, it could reverse very easily. So that's why we're just being extra cautious and waiting for price to confirm a move up and over that blue line on the weekly. So no new charts today. Having said that, it's the big Fed day today, so the market's on, pretty much just waiting to see what they will announce at 2 o'clock. But as an update, we started a Chart of the Day Cafe paper money portfolio on September 8th. Using some of our old picks from the year past as they crossed over the blue line, which here at Chart of the Day Cafe we use as our guide. The first one that we added was Gilead on this green day here, which is doing well. It's up 6.30%. The next one was Boeing, which we added here, which is doing okay. It's up 2.63%. And finally, the other day, on a cross of the blue line, we added Apple. So re these positions, we will, if the news at the close or the 2 o'clock announcement causes the market to reverse, we will close these towards the end of the day. We'll just see what happens, but if they start to look rocky, we'll close them and keep our profits. If the news is good, we will look to add 1, if not 2, to round out the portfolio. So as a reminder, maximum 5 positions, diversified from different sectors, equally weighted in dollar amount. So we have so far a healthcare, an aerospace and defense. Apple is categorized as a consumer goods company, and we will look to the charts that I think are interesting to look to today on the close, if it's a solid day, would be CVS, which is a drugstore chain, Scott's Miracle-Gro, which is a chemical company, and the third one would be Disney. So I'll look and add 1, if not 2 of these at the end of the day, as long as price is up and over our blue guideline on the daily. So this is Disney, this is Scott's Miracle-Gro, and this is CVS on the daily. And then we'll track it going forward. As a reminder, paper money, just for the fun of it, not making any recommendations whatsoever. It's just sort of a new thing to do in the year ahead with our Chart of the Day Cafe videos. So with that, I'll leave you on this very important Fed announcement day and see you next Tuesday. Have a great weekend. Thanks, everyone.